On top of all that, you might be sneezing and coughing more often because allergy season's starting much earlier than it used to because we've been so warm lately. Just look at the last week. We've had 4 days with record high temperatures as we've hit the 70s, dating back a couple days last week and a couple days right at the end of this weekend and into this week. And now we're looking at yet another dramatic temperature swing as we try to get back to near average. You can see it's kind of hard to tell what season it's been over the last 2 weeks because of these wild swings in temperatures, and when we do get back to anything near normal, it's right at normal, nothing cooler than average anytime soon. And looking ahead over the next 10 days, that continues. We kind of level out for a little bit, dip slightly to what feels like early March by this weekend, and then we're right back up well above normal as we head into next week. In the meantime, again, we quiet down for a few days. The roller coaster levels out for a little bit before it jumps back all over the place. Cold front that brought in the storms last night well to our east. Just some cooler, dry airflow behind that. High pressure is going to keep it that way through Thursday. So rest of this evening, clear weather. Temperatures slowly dropping down into the upper 30s. So still mild for this time of year, as typically we're about 10 degrees colder than this. So it's not those 70s that we felt yesterday, but we are still looking at late March weather for the time being. That means tonight we only get down to right at freezing under a partly cloudy sky. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine, a breezy wind, temperatures right back in the mid-50s like we saw as of today. We get to the end of the week, that's when things get a little more active. Some showers return, but not anticipating any thunderstorms, so no severe weather, thankfully. Could get a decent rainfall, though, ½ inch plus. Some spots potentially up to 1 inch of rain, so be ready for some soggy weather from sunup to sundown Friday. You can see these showers start late Thursday night. Here we are Friday morning, looking at some pockets of heavier rain at times. That carries on into Friday afternoon. Rain gets lighter going into Friday evening, but we're not done with the rain showers just yet. May take until very early Saturday morning before the weather dries back out again. Temperatures by that point will resemble early March. We finally back to average on Saturday with a high of 45. Starting to warm back up a little bit on Sunday with daylight saving time beginning. And then, as you can see, the weather roller coaster continues in your most accurate 10-day forecast, jumping right back up into the 60s, possibly near 70-degree weather by the middle of next week.